안녕하세요 친구들, Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. Today's nail art will be inspired by the Netflix series Squid Game. Of course, before anything else, I'm applying my peel-off base coat first. Then I'm using a black nail polish for today's base. Now I'm using a white acrylic paint to paint a circle, triangle, and square on my index, middle, and ring nail. Then I'm painting it with pink. For my thumbnail, I'm doing a ribbon design. Then I'm adding details to it. Then after all of that, let's apply top coat. And there guys have my Squid Game inspired nail art. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome chingus, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. 크게 오늘의 여러분 비주얼 봐주셔서 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 만나요. 안녕!